Later today, President Donald Trump heads to Texas to survey the damage from recent flash flooding. More than 100 people have died in the storms over the holiday weekend, including dozens of children. First Lady Melania Trump is also expected to be with the president on his visit. Trump has pledged to provide relief to Texas to help the state recover from these images of the devastating floods.
And a federal judge in New Hampshire is moving to block President Trump's executive order limiting birthright citizenship, but he's giving the administration a week to appeal. The issue will likely be decided by the Supreme Court.